So you need to pick a train now.
Now, which one do you want me to do?
Teach too much of
You
trains.
want to do those first?
Yeah.
We'll do one at a time.
2 at a time.
Okay, here we go.
You have to pick 2 counts.
Here's our 2 Metro North Railroad trains.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put them in here.
No, you can't put them in there.
You want me to
That's in the background.
Oh, back here.
No, not in the background.
Okay. Where am I gonna put it? Up here?
Yeah.
Next train, which is gonna be?
A F train. An F train.
The F train?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the F train. This is the F6 local train. Okay.
Now you need to drive it in circles. 2 times.
1, 2.
No, like this.
I like this.
No, like this.
This.
No,
Tell me.
I gonna show.
Oh, big circles.
You have to do it 2 times.
Ready? Put your hand. 1, 2.
And do the next.
There you go.
We're gonna choose the X and the Q and the B.
We do all 3?
Yeah.
Okay. We have the B Avenue Express. We have the Broadway Q Express. And we have the 42nd Street Shuttle. Want me to go in circles too?
Yeah. Oh, you finished.
Okay, I can put it up there. What's the next train gonna be?
Oh, next. Oh, okay. So it's gonna be 2.
2 more trains? The 7 and the J?
No, a red bird.
Oh, the Redbird and the J?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have the Nassau Street Local J train and the 7 Flushing Local train.
Drive it in circles.
Okay.
Ooh, that's not too good. You can't do it around the train.
In circles we go. In circles we go. Okay, I'm done. What's the next train gonna be? The 2 train?
Yeah.
The 2-7 Avenue Express train. Goes to Brooklyn, Manhattan. Let's do some circles. Ready?
No.
Whoa.
You have to do that.
Oh, I gotta do that? Okay, take it away.
And
What's your next train gonna be?
we'll do it like this.
Okay. The doors.
Attention Platform 1. Train to Central is approaching. Please stand clear of the platform edge.
Yeah, we still got 2 trains to do.
We're not doing those.
Oh, we're not doing these 2?
Yeah, because
Alright, why not?
these rooms are not in service.
Oh, they're out of service. The work
Out of
train and the 7
That's
Bluebird. Alright. You wanna put them up here with the other ones?